Hi everyone, I have a new workbook that I would like you to work on today, and this one I want to just end with some interesting features before we leave Excel completely. So in this one, Excel Advanced Features Stick 1, in grades 1 I have column A that has both the first name and last name, and then column B is grade. Click on the column heading B so it selects the whole column, and then click the top part of insert twice so you get 2 new columns. And then what I want to do is separate their first name from their last name. So in column B, I'll type Tom, enter, M for Mary, and I'm done. Do the same thing for Sawyer. And the last name, Lyons for the next one, and done. And then what I'll do for student name with the 4 arrows on the edge, drag it over, and then I could actually delete column A. So now I've separated the first and the last name. Next one, Social Security. For this one, what I'd like to do is create a secret code so that the Social Security number is not showing. So I would type the first 2 numbers, slash, and the last 2 numbers. And then when I get ready to do the next one, it picks it up for me. So then what I'd like to do is actually hide column C. So click the column letter, column heading, right click, and choose hide. So I've hid it from view, and I could print it and it wouldn't print out. To get it back, I just hover on the double arrows and double click. But I want to keep it hidden. Alright, the next one, times table screenshot. I'm sure you've seen this at some point in your life. Well, we're actually going to create one with the rows 1 through 12 and then the columns 1 through 12, and we're actually going to create the formula. So click the next one, the purple multiplication table. Click in B1, type a 1, and you're going to drag that all the way to M. You will get copies of all 1s, but if you click the autofill options, choose fill series, so it goes 1 through 12. Do the same thing in column A, 1, drag it down to row 13, choose the autofill options and fill series. So you've created the borders. Now we'll get ready for our very first formula. So click in B2. This formula involves both relative cell reference and absolute cell reference. So any formula begins with an equal sign, and the first one that I want to do is A2. So it's never going to leave column A, so $A2 multiply, which is the asterisk, by this one, which is B1. So B, it'll never leave row 1, so $1. Go ahead and do your check mark, then drag it across, let go, and then drag it down. And there you have your multiplication chart. The next one, mileage range, it's the same thing. I'll let you try this one on your own for a formula, and then if not, I will help you with it. If you do it correctly, the last one should be 1,000. So be careful because the columns are a little bit different and it's starting on row 5. So give it a try. If not, I'll help you along. Always start with equals. The first one is in B5 and it's never going to leave column B. So $B5 times, and it's in C4. C, it's never leaving row 4, so $4. Check. Drag it across, let go, and then drag it down. And there you have it. That's a combination of relative cell reference and absolute cell reference. The $sign is the absolute, and without the $sign is relative. Go ahead and save and submit. Thank you.